For 28 years, one CNC lathe, which has quietly powered the growth of India's jobbing sector, now it has been reimagined. Introducing the upgraded J10 CNC lathe from Ace Designers Limited, showcased at CCMT with a completely new look and enhanced capabilities. Built on a proven legacy, the new J10 delivers higher spindle bore for increased bar capacity, more power for improved productivity and output, capability to handle larger diameter and longer components, enhanced rigidity with bigger tool holding options, designed for real-world machining demands and manufactured at scale using a flow line concept, ensuring consistency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. From its origin as a value-driven solution to now competing with international standards, J10 continues to evolve with the needs of modern manufacturing. If your focus is higher output without compromising on cost efficiency, the J10 is built for your shop floor need.